Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so midin e de adwoa search ene ni dey kan ya wo de ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia be on so ubenya notification ene sa ni news e de betum ya ubenya bi atie anase ubenya bi ahwe e wo GC and page ha Marie Amwakwa Badu eye Ghana ni badehia ote amonone UK na yebeka ya 2020 abra yeba beto aba e wo Ghana ha no enye sem keto akwa na si yenya ekubia no omo from fix the country almost sorry wo Ghana ha no e na brochira na enya sem keto akra na Marie oye part of those people na omo kasetia NPP aban no na Marie e kire se oye o campaign de mahis oba penida da John Dramani Mahama because na membu eye de fe na Marie e kire se na oye NPP ni wofa ene his excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo but otena ase ahu se nyema bia Nana Addo eye no enkoyi ente se okọ campaign e de ema his excellency oba penida da John Dramani Mahama because na membu no bebu no ene on bebre no ye ya ono Marie ni susu se ebo a oman Ghana nende Marie atuna ni to say NDC no koye no wanu no ho basa because say bi NDC fo omo eni suban na Marie no ka say ne sema okan na ne say the only person I will bet to me keep NDC in opposition forever his excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. He's the only person that ono Marie Badu wo gidi woni mu say obetumi keep NDC in opposition na adenta Marie ka say na ne say Marie kire say wako NDC party ni mu steady omo suban how omo si yo boniama Marie kire say NDC for omo ni suban kire say tutura sem yo mo de entokwa nsegu ne kwale ni omo afa ya buga NDC for de papa na watena se ahu se NDC party nya de bebo ano na de enta Marie ekasa Nana Addo the only person obetimi keep NDC in opposition na same video bi a call viral efa swame youth organizer was swame constituency ni video bi obekan sorry ne sem bi obekan ya trend wo Ghana nsem hu kwa no kan video ni mu say 2024 abato na ba beto no chese wusi MPP ni afa de boni trim en na betimi ma na ya ba power chese nsem hu kwa no kan wo video ni mu en na Marie chese NDC fo no omo ni bibia o omo ni asem bi omo ka say Ghana fo monto abema ye moto abama ye ne ye ba ye be ye say they have nothing to say nsem hu senya na ye koso enti no IGP dampare enfana ni ento fame titru pa ye Ashanti region si eba beto aba 2024 because NDC for wa kan mo ho no Marie kire say onimomo she knows them and then she knows what NDC can do enti no IGP enfana ni enchire Ashanti region 2024 si eba beto aba na NDC party de omo ni suban bako say Marie kire say so wanko NDC anko ni say sa no omote the sense hu yo mo dide just say opposition no omo betena because his excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo bai wa be ye niam bebra ma Ghana for omo ani aso a omo susu say so omo sa so eto aba no de ema omo nti niam a Nana Addo ba be ye no ebetimi ama na NDC omo atena opposition the enti Marie Badu Amwakwa de etida
yeah the Akufo-Addo administration deploy heavy military 2020 elections NDC for Subaintia. The violent nature na NDC for hono and ama President Akufo-Addo became who he or developed that type of attitude and mindset. NDC for Intia. Because of course President Akufo-Addo nimwomo from President Rawlings time. Onim the NDC for to me which President Mahama be confirm. At that time no partisanship inti mekura ma anwene hu yie ena ne nyina yeso so but thank God I know better and I am doing better now. The sister B or say never say NDC awukoye no when no or say men can be kasa wukusua ade because your first time I will experience Ghanaian politics. Also, I say men can't say when no, because me kusuya ade. IGP, over to you. With the greatest of respect, the videos are making the rounds. Abrantia was a mocheno. You need to put him behind bars. Na Nyame Adoma IGP 2024. Kuma Ashanti region. Ma weni kohopa. Because you see, Aya sebe enkwasi asempa na guy wakachre Ghana for. Aya enkwasi asempa na ujina Ashanti region ho ena woka. Chere wu ba bekum MPP for. When MPP Ashanti region is predominantly MPP. Uba bekum MPP for. Ewa Ashanti region ho. And now wherever ube share MPP for. Yet mu here Ashanti votes. Na ninyi na echire no. Sebi ofifi kwete asa beka achire ye na kanfo se. Ye de sebi oni obuo bia de mayen. Na ne party no eye Voltarians fo nko a party. Me beka chire mo se sa comment na fifi kwete make ye no. Your best IGP, you just Ghana security in Pennyfo. But of course, trust the MPP. They know what to do. Trust MPP. They know what to do. They know what to do. Debia na me catch the NDC for Amra na me wom. Me say the only nipa will bet to be keeping in opposition. I me wa reach the mu ni mu. President Akufo-Addo. Me say mo bet na opposition. Ghana for na mo ni da wo mo so say ko mbeto aba ma mo in their numbers no. Ghana for no kra say ye ma wo mo hu no kra o mbesesa wo ma dwen say de me sesa ma dwen ko nyankopon ebe ma wo mo hu no kra mo mbesesa wo ma dwen o mo nto aba na ma mo.
You're a superstar.
All right,
God is a superstar.
Chairman,
You bet you're a superstar.
Yeah, I know he's with me.
All right, next one, Airway. Yeah, me, I'm a downfall. Yvonne Nelson. Yeah, I'm a fancy sister. And we could share my fancy brother. My phone is here. We could share my fancy brother, Fifi Pratt. I know what you can come. Now, Chairman, people are saying, say, I didn't know Yvonne Nelson and Kwabon thing. Now, on also quiet demonstration, say, or many more than the and I love the answer she gave. I didn't hear. Chairman, sorry, one day, pen because okay demonstration. So, Martin Pebu.
Oh, yes.
Martin Pebu. Or quite GG, my name's of bad demonstration. You know, Gina Hawk, come out, people, come out.
Come out,
police,
come out.
Your message for the demonstration must resonate with majority of people.
Absolutely.
Just because it said what years come a few media for say young that is the totality of the nation. Ghana is over 32 million people. And you cannot box all of them into Omia TV and those stupid channels that support the fuckery they are doing. Now, girl, now someone all can say, Ebra doom so ne buy the chairman or say no, right? Or tweety, people were there because Doomso was something that it resonated for business and buy egu.